In this video, we'll look at how to construct an histogram using Google Sheets. Remember, we use a histogram to graphically summarize and display the distribution of our data. Let's look how it's done. Like the sector graph, we start by selecting the first two columns of our data. We then come over to the wizard and we're going to select something from the second tab. Even though there's a histogram here, we're going to the second tab and we're going to use this one here called the stepped area chart. You can see it does a very good job because for my 1 wash a week, you can see there's 2 people. For my 2 washes a week, 5 people. 3 washes a week, 7 people, and so on. This is the chart we want. So we'll customize to make it look exactly what we need it to look like. It needs a title, hair washes per week, and remember that it's the boys' data we're using. Secondly, we don't need a legend here because we've only got one set of data. Legends are good when we have more than one set of data, so we're going to say none to that. After that, we need to come down and have a look at our axes. See, we've got no label here, we've got no label up here. So starting with the horizontal, we know that is number of washes. Then come up here and we select left vertical and we just simply want to type in frequency. The only thing you might want to change now is the number of lines here to make it even easier to read. So if you just slide down a little bit here, you'll see that you've got grid lines major. For this one, I'm going to say take 9 grid lines because that'll give us everything from 0 through to 8, and then you can see very clearly the scores for each part of our histogram. That's everything we need now, so we press insert, and to copy it, we simply do the drop-down menu at the top right-hand side, select copy chart. Now we can go over to our Google Doc and paste it in there.